HiKu6 is a solar panel by one of the world's top 10 biggest solar manufacturers, Canadian Solar. This stylish all-black module is 68 by 45 inches in size and has a rated power output of 390 watts. In real-world settings, you can expect to generate approximately 290 watts. The panel has a 20% efficiency rating, which is right in line with the industry standard. It is an ideal option for residential and small business projects. Canadian Solar backs the HiKu6 with an industry-leading 25-year product and performance warranty. The annual degradation rate is only 0.5%, so the panel will retain over 86% of its nominal power even after 25 years. Despite the name, the majority of Canadian solar panels are made in China. They have a good reputation, though. Overall, the Canadian Solar HiKu6 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality solar panel or home that will be good at both looks and performance.